Once upon a morning, there was a young girl named Amara. She woke up with a quiet curiosity in her heart, wondering what the day might bring. The sunlight streamed gently through her window, and she took a moment to breathe in deeply, feeling the warmth of life around her. For a long time, Amara had doubted herself. She wondered if she was capable of reaching her dreams, if her creativity would ever make a difference, and if she truly had the strength to face the challenges that life would place in her path. But today, she made a choice to believe in herself, to honor her journey, and to trust the process of life. She looked into her reflection and whispered softly, "I am worthy. I am strong. I am ready to embrace my potential." And as she spoke these words, she felt a gentle energy shift within her, a wave of confidence, calmness, and inner peace washing over her. Amara remembered all the times she had faced obstacles and uncertainty, and yet she had always kept moving forward. Each mistake, each struggle, each small victory had brought her to this moment, shaping her into the resilient, intelligent, and compassionate girl she was today. She realized that her journey was not about perfection, but about progress, courage, and self-love. She imagined herself stepping into the world with grace and purpose. She pictured the people she would inspire, the dreams she would chase, and the joy she would cultivate. In her mind, she painted a life filled with creativity, gratitude, and abundance, a life where she celebrated every small achievement and cherished every meaningful connection. With each affirmation she spoke, Amara felt herself aligning with the energy of the universe. I attract positivity. I am open to love, opportunities, and abundance. I trust the timing of my life, she whispered. And with each word, the world seemed to respond, bringing clarity, guidance, and unexpected blessings into her day. Amara understood that her mindset was powerful. The thoughts she nurtured, the gratitude she expressed, and the love she gave herself were shaping her reality. She smiled, feeling a sense of empowerment and peace. She realized that life was not about controlling every outcome, but about embracing the flow, trusting her intuition, and taking inspired action toward her goals. She walked through her morning with intention, noticing the beauty around her, the soft rustle of leaves, the warmth of sunlight on her skin, the gentle rhythm of her heartbeat. Every breath reminded her that she was alive, creative, and capable of making a difference, not only in her own life, but in the lives of others. I am worthy. I am brave. I am creative. I am a beacon of light, Amara said softly, feeling her heart expand with gratitude and hope. And in that serene moment, she felt deeply connected to herself, to her dreams, and to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Today, Amara would move forward with courage, optimism, and joy. She would trust that every step, no matter how small, was a part of her journey. She would embrace her creativity, her inner strength, and her ability to manifest her dreams. And as she continued her day, she knew that by believing in herself and speaking her truth, she was opening the door to endless blessings, love, and fulfillment. Once upon a morning, there was a young girl named Alara. She often wondered if she was strong enough, creative enough, or capable enough to follow her dreams. But today, she decided to look at herself with kindness and courage. She took a deep breath and whispered softly, "I am enough. I am worthy. I am ready to embrace my potential." With each word, she felt a warmth spreading through her heart, washing away doubt and fear. She remembered all the times she had overcome challenges, big or small, and realized that every experience had shaped her into the bright, creative, and resilient girl she was today. Alara imagined herself walking confidently into the world, sharing her talents, her ideas, and her light. She pictured days filled with laughter, learning, and moments of pure joy. In her mind, she created a vision of her life, a life of growth, kindness, and endless possibilities. As she looked into her reflection, she saw not only her face, but the spirit within her, a spirit full of curiosity, courage, and creativity. She whispered again, "I attract positivity. I am open to love, abundance, and opportunities. I trust my journey." With that, she felt connected to the universe, to her dreams, and to every little moment of life. She understood that each step she took, even the uncertain ones, was guiding her toward her highest self. She embraced the flow of life, knowing that every experience, whether joyful or challenging, was part of her growth. Alara smiled and decided to start her day with gratitude and hope. She knew that her affirmations, her thoughts, and her intentions were shaping the life she wanted. "I am worthy. I am creative. I am courageous. I am ready to receive all good things," she said with confidence. And in that quiet, powerful moment, she felt the universe responding with blessings, guidance, and love, supporting her every step along the way. If you like it, give it a like and share it with others.